Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mom and Geetu. Today we are going to make banana chocolate muffins.
These are the ingredients needed to make the eggless banana chocolate muffins. Flour. I am taking wheat flour here. You can also take white flour or maida. Now wheat flour 120 grams. Cocoa powder 40 grams. Sugar 80 grams. This is powdered sugar. You can just grind sugar in the mixer, or if you have sugar with very fine crystals, then you can directly use that. Okay, so I have powdered it in the mixie. This is 80 grams. Oil 40 ml. Milk 50 ml. And we will need a little bit of lime juice, so I am taking half a lemon. We will need one banana, and we will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is used to add flavor to the muffins. Now whenever we are using fruits like banana or apple in any of the sweet or savory dishes, then if we add a pinch of cinnamon powder in that, it enhances the flavor. If this is not there, you can also use vanilla essence. Now let us start with the mixing. As the first step, take the milk at room temperature and add some lime juice into the milk, little bit, and then mix it. If you don't have lime, you can even add vinegar. Basically we need this buttermilk that is needed, so this will act as a substitute for the egg. Instead of egg, this is what we are going to add. So do this as the first step and you can put this aside. Take a large mixing bowl and let us start with the wet ingredients first. So for this we will need one banana, and the banana should be ripe. You can mash this completely with a fork or a whisk like this. If you take a very ripe banana, this process would be very easy. Do you want to do it?
Yes. Slow bajana.
Okay, done. Can you add the sugar?
This one? This one?
Once this is nicely mixed, add in the sugar.
This one?
Yes, can you add, Geetu? Slowly. And then again mix it nicely. Mix it slowly. Then add the oil.
Mix it?
Yes, mix it. Then mix it nicely. Now let us add the dry ingredients. Sift all the dry ingredients. So first I am adding the flour, then add the cocoa powder in this. Cocoa powder. Then all of the baking soda, baking powder, salt and cinnamon powder together. I'm going to add in this, and then we are going to sift together. Okay, you want to do this?
Yes.
Sift it. So now our batter is ready. So now bring together all the ingredients using a spatula, that is something like this, a spatula or a spoon, and do not over mix it or use an electric blender here. Just you can use the cut and fold method. Cut, fold. You just need to combine the ingredients. Cut, fold.
Can I do it?
Wait 1 minute. Cut, fold. Okay, so you have to mix it like this only, even though it takes a little time. This way the batter would get some air in between and our cake would be nice and spongy. Come on Geeta, you want to do? Cut.
Fold.
Yes.
Cut. Fold.
Good.
Cut. Fold. Cut. Fold.
Yes.
It's too hard for me.
It's too hard, yes. Once I'll add the milk, it will become easy, okay? So mix it nicely like this. Cut, fold, cut,
Cut. Fold.
cut,
Cut. Fold.
fold. Ensure
cut,
all the ingredients
fold.
are nicely mixed. And now the buttermilk which we have made, we are going to add that. You can use curd also instead of this. So use the same process to mix it. Instead of egg, we have used this milk and lemon mixture. This is how our batter should be there. This should be the consistency. Once you see that all the ingredients are nicely mixed, then your batter is ready. So this is how it is. So now our batter is ready. We need a cupcake tray like this. So in the cupcake tray, we can grease these molds with little bit of butter or oil and little bit of flour and directly pour the batter also. But a better version would be using the cupcake liners. So this is much easier. You have cupcake liners like this, so you can place them in the each mold. You want to do it? Okay. Can you get one more? We'll put it here, okay? This one also we'll put it here, okay? So if you want, you can grease this. See, this one also can be little bit greased so that the cake comes out easily. And this is an optional step. I generally don't do it. Once in a while I do it, okay? So I'm just greasing for two and I'm greasing the others also. So next we will take the cake batter and transfer it to each of them, and do not overfill the cupcake liners or based on the size of the mold. You can fill it till half or 3/4. Do not fill it completely because the cake will rise. You can use a spoon and pour the batter on these, or to have equal sized cupcakes you can take a small measurement spoon like this and ensure that each of the mold has equal amount of batter. So I am using this just for that purpose. You want it? Yes. Okay. Take this, put it in this. This one.
This one and this one?
Take it out. Okay. Just fill all the molds. Okay, so you can just put it with spoon also like this.
Spoon to put now.
Okay. Next, for baking it in the cooker, you can just take a steel or an aluminum vessel, a small cup, and in this you can again pour the batter same way. Now this is for the cooker. Just tap it lightly and it's ready to go into the oven.
Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and bake them in that. To bake it in the cooker, you can place a stand like this in the cooker and then close it and heat it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, place the bowl on the stand and close it. Keep it under low flame and let it cook for 40 to 45 minutes or till it is completely done. You can just use the same process, checking it with a toothpick. Just insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean, then it is done. Keep checking in between after 30 minutes so that you don't burn it. So this is how it looks in between, and then let us see again after 45 minutes if it is done. And yes, now our cake is completely done. So let's insert the toothpick and see. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Yep, so it's clean. Okay, so this way we can easily bake it in the cooker as well. We don't need an oven. Once you remove from the cooker, let them cool down before you unmold it. Now let's go to the oven. They have to be baked for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, just check it once. If they are still to be done, then pop them back into the oven. So you can insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it means they are baked completely. So based on the oven and temperature, the time varies between 10 to 12 minutes. So keep checking in between. So now the cupcakes are ready. You can serve them as is, or you can add some chocolate syrup, Hershey's chocolate syrup, or anything else, some melted chocolate, so that kids will love it. You can add some buttercream frosting as well. So now let us see the texture. If you see, this is the texture of the cake. Very soft. Very soft. So once you remove them from the oven, let them completely cool down on a wire rack before you start unmolding them. For 10 to 15 minutes, let them cool down, and then you can remove them. Based on the kids' choice, you can add chocolate syrup or some buttercream frosting, and you can serve the yummy snack to them. Also, adjust the sweetness according to your taste. The measurements as per this video, you will have a mildly sweet cake, because I would like to take the sweetness of the banana as the major ingredient. I have added very little of sugar. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to Mom and Geetu.